Today, I'm gonna show you how to temper chocolate. What does it mean, tempering chocolate? Basically, it's, chocolate that you will use for dipping strawberries, cookie, chocolate bar, whatever you can hold in your hand and doesn't melt, it's tempered chocolate. Make sure you use either callets or you chop chocolate. Never use chocolate chips just because it had stabilizer in it and it won't temper properly. So, double boiler, start melting chocolate and slowly incorporate more chocolate so, it's still melting, but you bring the temperature down. You can use either a thermometer, laser, or your finger, and if you get burned, then you're not right. Let's temper the chocolate. So I've already melted the chocolate and we're gonna start the tempering. Let's look at the temperature. We are at 160. So I'm gonna add slowly more chocolate. I'm gonna bring the temperature down to between 91 and 87 degrees. Let's see. Still high, 130. So I keep on adding more chocolate. Basically what we're doing is when you melt chocolate, you're gonna start melting 60% of it, and then you add 40% slowly to temper. Now that my chocolate is tempered, I'm gonna start dipping my strawberry in it. When your chocolate is at the right temperature, you don't really need to have the strawberry in the fridge at all. It's just gonna cool off by itself outside. And because it's at the right temperature, it doesn't need any refrigeration, so it's perfect. So here's my finished product. Look how fabulous they are. They don't stick to the parchment paper when they're done, because they they all dry. So we can arrange them pretty. And voila. So little recap, this is dark chocolate, so remember 91 to 87. It can be done with milk and white, then the temperature has to be 85 to 87. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this is a good tip and trick. Make sure you subscribe to Delightful Mrs. Azria. We're dropping a video every Thursday at 6 p.m. See you soon. Have fun. This is all for me. Bye-bye.